Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine. I am Mrs. Reshma teacher. Today I am here to teach you a new letter and its sound. The letter O. Now children, I will show you one activity. What is this children? Salt. With the help of the finger, I can write any letter on it. You want to see children? Yes. Which letter is this? Tell me children, which letter is this? Yes, it's letter T. Next, which letter is this children? Tell me. Which letter teacher is writing? Yes, letter S. Letter S. Next letter R. R. Next letter R. R. Now which letter is this? Now which letter is this children? Yes, letter O. Letter O. Letter. Now next, letter A. Letter A. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, children. The letter O sound is O. O. O is for octopus. O, octopus. O is for owl. O, owl. O is for ostrich. O, ostrich. O is for orange. O, orange. O is for ox. O, ox. O is for ocean. O, ocean. O is for orchid. O, orchid. Book, page number 53. Circle the objects that begin with the sound of letter O. Which animal is this, children? Giraffe. So, it beginning with letter G. Don't circle it. Octopus. Yes, it beginning with letter O. Circle octopus. Ostrich. It beginning with letter O. So circle the ostrich. Orange. It beginning with letter O. Circle the orange. Rabbit. Don't circle. Yes, it beginning with letter O. Yes, it beginning with letter O. Orchid. Now here trace and write capital and small o. Capital O and small o. Turn your page. Here also small o, capital O. Practice to learn and write letter and the sound O. Thank you children. Goodbye.